Hi, I'm Doug Steebner with H.M. Brown. Welcome to H.M. Brown's Peak Performance, where we try to help you get the most out of your driving pleasure. Today I wanted to talk about tire pressure. Having the optimum tire pressure means you're going to get the most out of your tires, and they're going to operate safely at their load capacity, and you're going to get better gas mileage. Most manufacturers put a plate right here on the inside of the door jamb to tell you what the proper tire inflation pressure should be. Often they're different for many vehicles, and they can be different on the front of the tires as on the back of the tires. All right, this particular vehicle does have a tire pressure monitoring system. It tells me what the pressure is in each one of the tires. If you don't have one of those in your vehicle, you just got to give this sucker a big kick. Actually, kicking the tire does nothing. What you need, if you don't have a tire pressure monitoring system, you need one of these, which is a tire gauge. You come up to the vehicle, make sure that's pushed in, press and hold firmly until you don't hear anything. That'll tell you what the pressure would be. I always like to do it twice to make sure I'm getting the right reading. Many people are putting nitrogen now into their tires. Nitrogen is an inert gas, which means that it doesn't react with any moisture that might be in the air in your tires, so it's less likely to have corrosion on the wheels and any of the sensors. Most people or most places will go ahead and add air for free, but they usually charge for nitrogen. Nitrogen, if you're going to put nitrogen in your tires, you can expect reasonably to pay about $5 a tire. So there you have it. Optimum tire pressure for the most performance, gas mileage, and wear and tear on your tires. I'm Doug Steebner with H.M. Brown & Associates. Please like us on Facebook. Have a great day and happy driving.